Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and locating Game Mode. This makes the change permanent for your user. Once done, check whether Game Mode reads on or off so you know the current state. If you see restrictions, sign in with an administrator account. This allows you to modify system-level toggles. You do this because Game Mode can override performance profiles and interrupt updates. Disabling it lets you control background tasks and GPU scheduling. Now, keep settings open and prepare to change the toggle. Next, flip the game mode toggle to off. This is the core action and it takes effect immediately for most applications. Once you do that, disable adjacent features, turn off the game bar, background recording, and any overlays to prevent automatic reactivation. Make sure to save any work first. Some apps need a restart. After changing settings, restart the games or apps you were using so they pick up the new profile. This ensures performance behaves predictably and background interruptions stop. Finally, restart your PC to make sure all system-level components recognize the new configuration. This completes the process. If game mode reappears, check group policy or registry entries because enterprise policies or scripts can force it back on. If you must edit the registry, create a restore point first. This prevents data loss. And if problems persist, verify your user account type and startup tasks that may re-enable gaming features. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.